So I took Power BI course for beginners. I'm in Mexico City, and we did everything online. It was super easy. We had, I think it was 5 sessions. And I was at first a little bit scared because I'm super bad at anything in the computer, like Excel and anything. And it was actually very clear, and I could do everything, like all the exercise. It was super clear. They have like you need like 2 different screens so you can see the teacher and be able to do your exercise in your screen. So that's pretty cool. And they already have like different files that you all can use in the class. So it's super nice that you're following your teacher, but you're doing it yourself. And then everyone is like telling their questions and answering in the same time. And if you get stuck at anything, they would help you right away. So it's pretty cool because you're able to do it. Any questions are solved while you're doing it. And I really was able to understand everything. It was very good course. And it was in English because we don't speak Portuguese. Some of the other classmates were Brazilian, and sometimes they would ask on Portuguese, but Enrique, our teacher, would answer everything in English so that all of us could get it. So it was pretty cool.